Hi everyone, welcome back to HardReset.Info channel. Today I'm gonna show you how to turn off your flashlight on OnePlus 9. So as you see, I already have the OnePlus in my hand. Now all I'm gonna do, just go place your finger at the top right of your screen, then slowly go down with your finger, and as you will see, there's the torch, flashlight, you can call it whatever you want. Just click on it and then it's not flashing again. Let me check. Right now it's flashing, as you will see, and right now if I just click it another time, it shouldn't be flashing. And that's basically it for the video, guys. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Leave a like and subscribe, and see you guys in the next one.